You're irresistible.
Stop rolling your eyes, Fraser, and pull yourself together.
An irresistible Saturday night from 7 on UK Gold.
This is a message from UKTV regarding the Z virus. The Z virus is a highly contagious and dangerous virus that is spreading rapidly across our nation. It is transmitted through bites or exposure to bodily fluids of infected individuals. Once infected, the human body undergoes a horrifying transformation, leading to death and reanimation. We urge you to take immediate action to protect yourselves and your loved ones. Here are the instructions you need to follow. Number 1. Remain indoors as much as possible. Your safety is of utmost importance, and staying indoors reduces the risk of encountering the infected. Number 2. If you must go out, cover all exposed skin. Wear long sleeves, pants and gloves to minimize the risk of direct contact with the virus. Number 3. Close and lock all doors and windows. Create a secure barrier to prevent infected individuals from entering your home. Number 4. Prevent infected individuals from entering your home. Be vigilant and cautious. Do not allow anyone exhibiting symptoms of the virus to enter your premises. Number 5. Stay alert. Stay alive. Keep yourself informed and aware of the situation. Follow official updates and guidelines provided by authorities to maximize your chances of survival. Number 6. Stay tuned to television channels or radio broadcasts for updates. UKTV and other reliable sources will continue to provide you with vital information to navigate this crisis. We implore you to take these precautions seriously. The Z virus poses a grave threat to our society, but together we can overcome it. Your safety and well-being are our top priority.
Remember our usual EastEnders omnibus in a couple of hours here on UK Gold. To take us there, some more good old black and white Doctor Who.